How to make money online with no money in 2026 Beginner's Guide. What if you could start making money online without spending money first? No expensive computer, no office, and no big investment. Sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, there are several online businesses you can start with little or even zero upfront cost. However, I want to be honest with you. This is not a get-rich-quick method. You will need time, internet access, patience, and a useful skill. In this video, I will show you practical ways to start making money online with no money in 2026. And I will explain exactly what you can do as a beginner. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing. The first method is freelancing. Freelancing means using a skill to provide a service to another person or business. You don't need to own a company. You simply need to solve someone's problem. For example, you could offer YouTube script writing, video editing, graphic design, translation, social media management, writing, or virtual assistants. If you only have a smartphone, start with skills that can be done on your phone. For example, you can learn basic video editing using free apps, then practice by creating sample videos. After that, create a portfolio. You can use platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork to look for clients. The important thing is not to wait until you are perfect. Learn, practice, create samples, then start offering your service. Number 2. YouTube. The second method is YouTube. You can start a YouTube channel without buying an expensive camera. Your smartphone can be enough to begin. Choose one topic. For example, make money online, AI tools, technology, education, motivation, fitness, or entertainment. Then create useful videos around that topic. At first, you may get very few views. Don't panic. Your first goal should not be money. Your first goal should be learning how to make better videos. Learn how to create better thumbnails. Write stronger titles. Improve your hooks. Keep viewers watching. And understand your analytics. As your channel grows, you may have different monetization opportunities, depending on your eligibility and location. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. The third method is affiliate marketing. This can be started without creating your own product. Here's the simple idea. You recommend a product or service. You receive a special tracking link. Someone clicks your link and makes a qualifying purchase. You may receive a commission according to the affiliate program's rules. For example, imagine you have a YouTube channel about AI tools. You make a video explaining an AI tool. You can recommend the tool using an affiliate link if the company offers an affiliate program. But remember something important. Don't promote products just because they pay commissions. Recommend products that are useful to your audience. Trust is more valuable than a quick commission. Number 4. Sell digital products. Another method is selling digital products. A digital product is something people can buy and download online. Examples include ebooks, Canva templates, study materials, printable planners, AI prompts, business templates. You can create a simple product using free tools. Then promote it through your social media accounts, YouTube channel, or other platforms. The advantage is that you don't need to keep physical products in your house. But you still need to create something people actually want. Before creating a product, ask yourself, what problem does this product solve? If it solves a real problem, people have a reason to buy it. Number 5. Social media management. The fifth method is social media management. Many small businesses want to use social media, but don't have enough time to manage their pages. You can help them. You could create posts, write captions, schedule content, reply to messages, research content ideas, or help them organize their social media strategy. You don't need thousands of followers to start. You need to understand how social media works and demonstrate that you can help a business. Start by learning. Then create sample posts for imaginary businesses. Use those samples as your portfolio. Then approach small businesses and offer your service. Number 6. Online tutoring. If you are good at a subject, you can teach it online. You could teach English, math, science, music, computer skills, or another subject you understand well. You can start with people you already know. Later, you can build an online audience through social media. The important thing is to teach something you genuinely understand. Number 7. AI-assisted services. Artificial intelligence is creating new opportunities. You can use AI tools to help you work faster. For example, you could offer AI-assisted content writing, YouTube scripts, social media content, research assistance, idea generation. But don't simply copy AI output and send it to clients. Review it. Correct mistakes. Add human ideas. Make it useful and original. AI should help you work better, not replace your thinking. The biggest mistake to avoid. Here's something I want you to remember. Don't try 10 different methods at the same time. That's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. Today they want YouTube. Tomorrow they want affiliate marketing. The next day they want crypto. Then they move to freelancing. After 1 week, they give up. Instead, choose one method. Give yourself at least a few weeks to learn and practice. For example, if you choose YouTube, spend your time learning titles, thumbnails, storytelling, SEO, audience retention, and analytics. Then improve with every video.
A simple zero money plan. If I were starting from zero, I would do this. Step 1. Choose one skill. Step 2. Learn it using free resources. Step 3. Practice every day. Step 4. Create 3 to 5 examples of your work. Step 5. Build a simple portfolio. Step 6. Start looking for your first client or audience. Step 7. Reinvest your first earnings into improving your business. Don't worry about making hundreds of dollars immediately. Your first goal can simply be your first $10, then $50, then $100. Build step by step. Final message. Making money online with no money is possible, but zero investment does not mean zero effort. You still have to invest your time. You have to learn. You have to make mistakes. You have to improve. And sometimes you will work hard without seeing results immediately. That's normal. Don't search for a magic website that promises easy money. Build a real skill. Solve real problems. Create real value. And be patient. That's how you can turn a simple idea into a real online income stream. Outro. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about making money online. And comment start below if you are ready to start your online journey with zero money. Remember, you don't need to start with a lot of money. You need to start with a useful skill and the courage to take action. See you in the next video.